Hello, my family and friends. I'm very excited to show you the wooden ship my husband made. I'm very excited. I'm also excited to show it to you. My friends, my family and friends, please subscribe, like and comments over here or over here, and I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, please subscribe and like and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. My friends, here is the wooden ship my husband made. Um, you can use this, or you can buy this as a gift, or just a house decoration. I don't know if you can see it well. Please watch my video because I took a video of this very close so you can see it. And please like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Thank you very much. Hello, my friends. My husband made a wooden ship. It's like a hanging. You can hang this, or you can just put it somewhere for house decorations. This one is made of felt. He can also make like white or blue because we have 3 different colors. So it's real wood, and the back is also wood. See that? This one's square plywood because he put something behind it. It's like a plastic glass behind it. I don't know if you can see that well, but this is very good. He can I will post this in my website friendsabroad.us, and you can check the price. Very reasonable price, my friends. It's handmade. You can hang this as a house decorations, or you can give this as a gift. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up or comments if you don't like, and I will appreciate it very much. Thank you, my friends.